We're checking out the Red Rock custom molded mud guards for the OE fender flares front and rear set, designed to fit the 2015 to 2020 F-150s with those OE fender flares, but not including the Raptors. These are going to be perfect for truck owners looking to protect their paint, fenders, and their undercarriage from mud, rocks, and road debris while managing a sleek, factory-style look. These custom molded mud guards are going to provide superior protection for your F-150 by preventing debris from getting kicked up from your tires. Whether you're driving on highways, dirt roads, or through harsh weather conditions, these guards help keep your truck cleaner for minimized paint chips and corrosion caused by that road spray. They're specifically contoured to match the wheel wells of the F-150, ensuring an OEM-like fit. This design also helps make sure you don't mess with your aerodynamics and doesn't interfere with the tire clearance, making them ideal for both stock and slightly lifted setups. The mud guards feature a simple installation, which we're going to show you here in a minute, only needing some minor drilling, making them easy to install without the need for any specialty tools. Red Rock constructs these mud guards from high-strength thermoplastic, making them durable and resistant to extreme temperatures, UV exposure, and impact from road debris. The matte black finish complements any F-150 paint color and can also even be painted to match your truck if that's what you're going for with a more customized look. The flexible yet tough material ensures that the guards won't crack or warp over time, even under heavy-duty use. Plus, they maintain their shape through various weather conditions, from scorching summers to those icy winters. Now, when it comes to the pricing on these mud guards, they're coming in around $75 for a set of all four, making them an affordable and practical upgrade to keep your F-150's exterior in top condition and save you time with less frequent car washes. Installation on this one's going to be very straightforward, taking only 45 minutes to finish up. This is going to be a pretty easy job. So we're giving it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and only minor drilling is required to secure them into place. Now let's see exactly how that goes with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
Hey everybody, we're going to install a front mud flap on a 2018 F-150. Tools are pretty simple. You're gonna need a drill with a 3/16 bit on it. You're gonna need a small socket with a 732 bit, and I used an extender and a pair of needle nose pliers. All right, step one, you're gonna need to remove this little flare by pulling out that little bit right there with your needle nose pliers. Getting that out allows you to peel this back and get it that 7/32 bolt to expose. I'll pull that up next with my 7/32 ratchet. All right, with that bolt removed, you're gonna take your mud flap and you're gonna use this hole right here as a template to drill through. All right, now that that's drilled through, you can take your red tape off the back. 1, 2. Before you drill your hole and put this screw in, you're gonna wanna replace this little rubber bit that you took off of the bottom. Hold everything in. Then line up your new mud flap with the hole. Put the original screw back in. And use your ratchet to tighten up the nut. Next, you're gonna wanna take the 2 silver clips that were provided to you in the kit, and you're gonna wanna line up to these square notches. It's a little tight, so if you can't get it, you just need to apply a little bit of pressure and snap the clips on around the mud flap and your original fender flare at the top and in the middle. If you can't get it with your hands, you can use your needle nose pliers to pop it in. Make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. That's the front flap on. Repeat the same steps on the driver's side and you'll have your front mud flaps installed. All right, first step, we're gonna remove our plastic clip using our needle nose pliers. Next, take our 10mm and we'll remove the nut down here. Get it loosened, and then the nut comes out. After that, take our metal clip that was provided with us in the kit and we'll put it where the plastic clip was. Make sure the holes are all lined up. We'll eventually feed a sheet metal screw through there later. After that, take our machine Phillips screw, remove the 3M tape backing from the mud flap, put the mud flap in position, and thread the screw using our Phillips head. All right, once that's mostly tightened, take our sheet metal screw, we'll put it through the hole above and line it up with the clip we put in. Then we'll put our Phillips on the ratchet and we'll tighten everything up. Hit it with a couple ratchets. All right, last step, take the metal clips that were provided in the kit and we line them up with the corresponding square tabs on the mud flaps and the fender, and you're good to go.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Red Rock custom molded mud guards for the 2015 to 2020 F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.